Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about overthinking and how Ayurveda can help in overthinking. As you know, these days it's a thinking world. Everything is online, everything is on internet. Everything, all the conversations are through online chatting, online this, online that. That's why this boosts our thinking process. So this thinking, if it remains still thinking, it's fine. But when it becomes overthinking, then it becomes problem. In Ayurveda, it is termed as Ati Chintan. Chintan means thinking, Ati means overthinking. So Chintan, that is conscious thinking, that is okay, that is needed also. But sometimes we do overthinking because this process is very unconscious. That's why we are not aware of it, but it impacts our health knowingly or unknowingly. So let's understand what Ayurveda has to say about it and how we can use Ayurveda to solve this problem to some extent. In Ayurveda, the concept of thinking, it is not considered as we are thinking, it is considered as our manas, that is mind, that is thinking. Thinking is the work of mind, not us. Now let's first understand what happens with overthinking. When we have this pattern of overthinking, it is going to impact on your Rasa Dhatu. Like I mentioned, there are 7 channels in Ayurveda, that is Ras, Rakt, Mas, Med, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. So today I am going to talk about the connection of Rasa Dhatu and thinking, as it is the first cellular level according to Ayurveda. So when I am talking about overthinking, so first we need to recognize how we will recognize ourselves, like whether we are overthinking and we are not thinking, we are having normal thinking. So according to Ayurveda, there are certain symptoms that you feel in a person who does overthinking or ati chintan. And many times maybe you also have observed in some of your friends or within yourself. There are certain very simple diagnostic signs which you can observe in daily day-to-day life, that is excessive dryness on the skin. Even they are eating healthy, even they are having proper food, but still there is excessive dryness of unknown reason on their skin. There is excessive dryness on your hair and the reason is not known. They get tired very easily as compared to other people. Like simple work if they are doing, they will feel tired after some time, and then they feel guilty or depression, like why we are getting tired, like this is such a simple work but we are not able to do it. So this is very important diagnostic sign which happens with many people who have overthinking problem. If overthinking is too much, it also creates pressure on your heart. That is, your heart will always work under pressure. No need to get scared about it, like oh my god, like my heart will be always under pressure. We will learn the techniques from Ayurveda how we can reverse it also. But this is one of the things, like our heart works under pressure. How we can diagnose it? Like sometimes we have palpitations. Palpitations means your heart is bouncing, like little bit big beats are coming, or it is also known as tachycardia, that is tin, 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 like heart, like in fear, our heart, you know how quickly it beats, just like this. Or heart rate becomes high for no reasons. No problem in heart. If you go with ECG, there is no problem in heart, ECG comes out to be normal, but still you feel these palpitations for no reason. So these palpitations or tachycardia, that is called, this is happening because of overthinking. Sometimes even sinking heart feeling happens, like for no reasons you are feeling like your heart is just sinking. It's a very bad feeling. When I was in college, this kind of feeling even I have went through, and it's not so good feeling, like sinking. Fear of unknown reason, we don't know the reason but still we feel sinking, like something is going, just like this. So this also happens when we have overthinking pattern. In some people also this happens, like there is heaviness in heart, like in this area, because for many people heart location is, you know, in between this rib cage, like here, like here, but you feel here pressure, like this area you will feel pressure all the time, like some kind of stone is over there here. So this kind of thing, if you are feeling, maybe you have a pattern of overthinking. So all you need to do is you need to break that pattern. How you can break this pattern? You can do meditation. Meditation is very beneficial for all those people who are into overthinking. So what are the meditations that you can do? There are many meditations, but always I recommend people, like whenever you are learning some meditation technique, make sure you learn it from a proper school, proper source. Like I have learned from Isha Foundation Sadhguru, that is Shambhavi Mahamudra. It is very beneficial in this process, and even you can do inner engineering, that is also very beneficial. So you can make use of it. One thing is this. In addition to that, there are many other schools also, like Sudarshan Kriya, or many kind of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, or many other techniques are there. So you please learn from a proper school, proper source, so that you will be able to avail the proper benefits. This is one thing I would like to suggest, and this is first part. Another thing is what will help in, from Ayurveda perspective, in stopping this overthinking, in overcoming this overthinking, that is, thinking is related with the Rasa Dhatu. Whenever we, Rasa Dhatu, that is one of the channels in our body according to Ayurveda, and Rasa Dhatu in our body, that is responsible for all the nourishment that is happening in our body. All the rasas, that is nourishment, that happens from Rasa Dhatu. And when we do overthinking, it will impact your Rasa Dhatu. That means your nourishment, the happiness of nourishment, that will vanish. If you have a pattern of this overthinking, it is also going to impact your digestive system, Jatha Ragni. Even researches are these days are saying, like if somebody has overthinking pattern, their digestion is not good. Many times they have acidity problems, many times they have indigestion problems, or gas, or some other problems. So this also happens because of overthinking, and symptoms are different in different people according to their body type. And if you are not aware of what is this body type, regarding body type also I have created one video, how to know your dosha type. You please watch that video, answer the questions which I have asked in the video, and then write down the answers in the comment section, and I will try to answer or tell your body type in a gross way. So this is another thing, that it is going to impact your Jatha Ragni. So what we can do with the help of Ayurveda to overcome it, or how Ayurveda can help it? Ayurveda can help it if you enhance your Rasa Dhatu. So how you will enhance your Rasa Dhatu? You will enhance your Rasa Dhatu by adding fruits to your diet, or those fruits which are sweet in nature and more juicy. Like winters are coming, you can make use of oranges, all the citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are very beneficial for your heart, and in Ayurveda it's been said, if you are eating something citrus fruit or juicy fruit, it will just nourish your heart. Like, because these citrus fruits have amal ras. Amal ras is, amal means citrus, and it's sour. It is very beneficial for your heart. So use more and more juicy fruits in your diet. And if you're taking some citrus fruit should be eaten when there is sun in the sky, or in the afternoon, not early in the morning, because early in the morning excessive citrus fruits, for some people it's very difficult to digest, especially for Vata people and for Kapha people. For Pitta people it is good. So this is first thing that you can do, like add more and more fruits in your diet. In the morning, start your morning with seasonal fruits. We, as nature knows our best what is needed for our body. Take a big bowl of fruits, start your day like this. This will help you to nourish your Rasa Dhatu, and if your Rasa Dhatu will become strong, naturally vice versa impact will happen on your thinking. It will naturally get into balance. after some time, or at least it will become little lower on the lower extent. So this will help you. In addition to that, another thing that is very beneficial to enhance your rasa dhatu or proper nourishment, that is having raisins in the morning, soaked raisins in the morning, which has been soaked overnight. Eat those raisins and drink that water. This will also help to nourish your rasa dhatu, and it's very beneficial for the health, for the immunity, and to bring glow on your face and for your hair also. So this is very beneficial to balance your Vata dosh. Regarding raisins, I already have created video. To know more about raisins, you please go through my channel and watch this video. This is very beneficial for you. In addition to that, if you have also more overthinking problem, next thing in diet that you need to do, that is use of ghee. Ghee is very beneficial if it is homemade, and if it is from natural organic origin. This kind of ghee is very beneficial for health, and in Ayurveda this ghee is considered as a very good brain tonic and very good nourisher of rasa dhatu. So make use of ghee. If you don't have cardiac problems, if you don't have blood pressure problems, then you can make use of ghee. Make your lifestyle more physically active. You can also learn Angamardana, you can go for a walk, you can do asanas. These kind of things are also beneficial in making your thinking less. Try to do some physical activity. This also helps to make your mind involved, and this kind of lifestyle will help you to reduce your overthinking problem. In addition to that, try to have more and more home cooked food, try to have more and more organic food, and try to avoid all the chemical and all the canned tinned food that is not so good for health, and that is also enhancing your overthinking, exaggerating your overthinking. So try to have more and more organic food, natural food in your diet. That will also help you to nourish your brain, and if your brain will be nourished naturally, your thinking, this overthinking problem will come into normal. Try to live in more and more loving atmosphere. Try to be among more loving people. This will also help you to make your mind calmer. But as we know, there are certain professions in which thinking is very needed. Like if you are a doctor, you can't avoid thinking. You need to do thinking what is needed. If you are a teacher, you need to deal all the brainy work. If you are a software engineer, again brain work is there. If you are some kind of in this kind of work in which you need to calculate accounts, mathematics, there also thinking is needed. Even many businesses these days are like this, where thinking is too much needed. So for all these professions, I would request, enhance the liquids in your diet. Take your lentils in more liquid form, vegetable in more liquid form, soups in more liquid form. In addition to that, have more and more fruit juices. That will also help you enhance the liquid content in your diet, and you will see it will nourish your brain in a greater extent, and you will feel wonderful. I hope this will help you, and that's all for today's video. I hope you will like it, and if you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. And those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on the given email ID, and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, bye.